everybody! We hope you're all having a wonderful baby month, and in honor of that, we wanted to show you guys some different products that we have for anyone who is pregnant or would like to help someone who is pregnant, which I like to think is a lot of people. So first, we're going to start off with the Sage Naturals Happy Baby Bum Kit. So this is a nice little DIY kit that allows you to make 5 total Happy Bum pastes. And here's a little sample of what the kit looks like. There's a little thank you card, and on the back it has the instructions on how to make the product, as well as stickers, natural colorants, and it's all 100% natural and vegan, and it's a wonderful product. So if you wanted to have some fun with some girlfriends, this could be a good way to go. But maybe that's a little much going on and you'd like something more simple and easy to follow. This is the Pregnancy and Baby DIY Class Kit. So this is nice in that it allows you to make a lot of different things for anyone who is dealing with a pregnancy or anything along those lines. And each set comes with 11 sheets of labels, which is nice because you have an extra sheet of labels to make an example if you want to. And then everyone will also get a little worksheet with all the recipes listed on the back. So it's nice and easy in that you have everything you need, it's all set, ready to go. And final thing, we have the Essential Oils for Pregnancy, Birth, and Babies book. This is a compact, beautiful book for anyone who could potentially need a more natural solution to all the things that come along with pregnancy. And if you look at just the table of contents, it covers so many things, from nutrition, tips for midwives, different blends and things you can make, breastfeeding tips. There's all kinds of blends and recipes in here. Incredible stuff. And there's an index in the back too. So if you're wanting to know what a certain oil can do for your pregnancy, or maybe you're trying to look for a specific ailment, it's a nice, compact, and easy to use book that'll have everything you could possibly need. And like always, if you're ever needing a few extra tips, don't forget the Essential Life book. There's sections and recipes related to pregnancy and babies. Well, we hope you guys all have a wonderful day and that you have a wonderful rest of your baby month. We'll see you around.